Hey, what's up? Or what's happening? See that black spot right there on the right? It's moving, and it's moving quite fast. And matter of fact, later on we're gonna see it come up on the other side. And here it is up close as well. And there is something here over here on your right. What is that? That's quite interesting, I guess. Here we go. A smaller version. Okay, well, is what we got here is we have like tornadoes, or these can be, see up there at the top, there's a jet or jets going through these clouds, and we're seeing the results of that after they had passed. But I've seen tornadoes itself just cut a line right through the clouds, and also maybe what is in these tornadoes could possibly be a creature. And there on the other side, the left side, you can see right there that it's coming out. They could possibly be, these creatures could be feeding off of substance in the clouds and maybe containing firmament. Gravity? Now, there is a bird that lives off of sea air, and its saliva that it has, it makes a bird's nest out of it, and they sell it for $600, and of course it's called bird nest soup. So there's no reason why we can't have a creature live off of substance that is in the air, that is being compressed, that's being changed, that's being divided, and they go up and get stuff or whatever that they like. I'm just adding the pieces of the puzzles, and I've been doing this, what now, 7 months. I only go a little bit at a time. I try not to be too crazy, but the things that I'm saying, I've almost heard them say about the same thing. We're back. Oh, there was a plane that just went by. I don't know if you noticed that. I have a jet going in there, and I had a plane buzzing by. I've been shooting planes just to get used to them, to see what they look like from various distances. And now, I had done a screenshot earlier to this, and to see what this jet might entail, get a little insight. Let's see if there's something there. And I think you might be surprised of the outcome. And then I have a bug that has been living in between the window and the screen. I think I've been here 7 or 8 months. I don't know how long, but it's been living here. I don't bother it because I figure I'm waiting for it to die. Bugs don't live that long, I thought. Anyway, I think it leaves at night, but it's there. I'll be sharing that with you. When I was learning about fairies, such as the creature onto like rods or skyfish, they had an insect, and it looks a lot like what I've got in my window. So what's this tell me? You mean I got a rod right here living in between the screen? Well, you know what? I look at the front of it. I'm got a picture of it from the back, the bottom, let's say, and I went to the front, which would be his back, and I couldn't really see any wings. But what if this bug that I have here is possible to evolve into exactly a rod, just like a caterpillar when it evolves into what? A butterfly. And here's that spot and we're popping it. I know we got something there, but it's not making sense yet. Let's bring it in. Oh, there's an object right there. What the hell is that? I love this when it does that. And it looks strange. I turned it upside down. It looks like somebody's bent over, and that looks like a skeleton. And what the hell? If we were to go back, you can see that somebody's behind that person bent over. And here's my roommate. The room is always warm, and that's the only thing I can think of. He doesn't have a party or anything. Here's something on... Anyway, that was the letter F, and somebody was giving the finger, and I could have sworn